What's going on, everybody?
Hello.
We are here again with some special people that came by to see us, some subscribers that's visiting us here at the hotel and the restaurant. Check them out.
Hi, how are you? My name is Alberto and I'm from El Paso, Texas, and I'm very happy to be here.
All right, and Alberto?
And I'm Alberto's wife. My name is Joy, and I've been in the US for almost 20 years, and we're visiting and we're coming home in the Philippines for good.
For good?
Yes.
All right.
I'm going to live here in Angeles City.
Yeah, right?
Yes.
Excellent. So you guys been watching our channel for a while. Now, you said that you had watched our very first video and
vlog.
all the way from the
Yes.
beginning, all
And
the
then
way
he's
through
the one-
Mexico and everything. When
Yes.
we went back home and visited family and all.
Yeah. Before COVID, after COVID, we watch your videos, everything.
Well, thank you so much, guys.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So look at what they brought Mercy today. Oh my goodness. I said it was a special video. We will proudly hang this in the restaurant along with our other flags. We have to do some relocating. They brought the Mexican flag here for Mercy and me here at Papi'S, and we will proudly display it. We were talking about getting a flag. We needed a bigger Mexican flag than that license plate right there. And we'll figure out how to get that up here with our Philippine flag, American flag, and we'll probably put the Mexican flag over there. I'm sure everybody out there in YouTube land will correct me on my flag hanging etiquette. I've gotten it wrong so many times, and there's no ill intent to hanging these flags wrong. Believe me, it's just ignorance on my part on how to hang a flag. But I've had people threaten me, take it down. If you can't hang it right, take it down. And I'm like, wow, okay. So anyway, yeah, my fault for not doing the proper flag hanging research that I should. But I'm definitely going to do it right when I do this one. I'm going to hang them up. I've learned my lesson, guys.
So anyway, I just want to thank you
You're
so
welcome.
much.
You're both very
They made me cry. It wasn't in the you know. in the
Well, we couldn't
camera,
show the
but
tears.
yes.
Come on.
No, but I really thank you so
And he
much.
kept on saying, "Oh, Mercy will be very happy to talk to me," and something like that.
Yeah.
And also I understand.
Because Alberto's Mexican as well, Mexican American.
Mexican American.
Same as Mercy, and so they're talking and they're speaking Spanish together, and he gets a flag, so it got her really choked up.
Being Mexican here in the Philippines and not having anybody to talk to in Spanish. So
It happens very seldom, but it does happen. Over time, you do run into people. Rare, but we do.
Yeah, we have about 3 people Mexicans speaking with me in Spanish.
Yeah, you find a few of them here and there, but very few.
right.
Yes.
But that's going to force her to speak Tagalog. See, she got to learn. She got to learn that Tagalog.
And we're gonna live here in Angeles City. I retired from the U.S. Navy.
Yeah,
And,
got the Midway hat right there.
Yes,
There you go.
And just very happy to be here with Eric and Mercy, and so this is going to be our new home for Joy and I, and we're very happy to be here. And
Well, you guys have a home here already, right?
we're renting a house here.
Oh, okay. You're renting for now.
Renting for
So,
now.
all
Up there by Timo Hills,
Gotcha. All
by
right.
Koreatown.
Yep. Know it well. Well, very good, guys. Thank you so much
Sure,
again.
you're
Thank you
welcome.
very much. This is gonna be in a special place in Papi'S Bar and Chill.
Yeah.
But Joy and Albert,
Yes.
they have a special place in my heart.
And I want to say that the
Thank you so
burger
much.
that I ate today was Texas style, and it don't get no better than a hamburger in Texas. So
Come and try.
So-
Right.
Come and
Right.
try.
Come and try
Yeah.
it. It's really good.
Excellent.
And of course, my food is it's a home favorite, I guess.
Yeah.
That I enjoyed it so much.
Thank you very much, guys, for coming by. I'm glad you like the food. Thank you so much for the flag.
Thank you.
Mercy and I appreciate it. We encourage all you guys. We want to bring something. I'm kind of running out of space for flags, though. But license plates, little things, little wall
Wherever you
decorations, feel free to bring them in, and we'll try to get them hung up here at Papi'S. Appreciate it, guys. It is Mother's Day here in the Philippines.
And USA too.
It will be tomorrow.
Oh yes, I'm sorry.
Yeah, so when you watch this, it'll be Mother's Day back in the States. But right now, it's Mother's Day here in the Philippines. And we are here in Papi'S. We got a crowd. And look at the flags up here. We just changed up the flags. Mercy's got her flag hung up here. Finally, we relocated them, put them all together. There's Myron. Check him out.
Hey, hey.
The sax player from you know where.
Oh yeah, coming from all over the world. Coming from Chicago, Buffalo, New York. Shout out.
Yeah, you got
Washington D.C. Shout out.
Yeah, that's right.
And now living in Atlanta, Georgia. Shout out.
He's from everywhere, playing that sax all over the world, and here in the Philippines too. He's sitting in the right chair here. We are talking about, we have our flags moved up here in the restaurant.
Look how beautiful.
Yeah. Perfect little backdrop here when you walk in. We moved our Union Jack over here. Sorry guys, but we had to put this one on. We had a bigger spread on that window. But yeah, we have a lot of people in today for Mother's Day because today moms eat free at Papi'S.
Yes, that's a great promo.
All the moms eat free. That's why we're big tables of food. Look at these guys. He brought his whole family in here. Why not? We'll introduce you to these guys here shortly. But yeah, today is a big deal for the moms in town. We did a little last minute promo. Drake and I said, let's do something real quick for Mother's Day. Let's just shout it out to some people in short notice, but it didn't take much. When you're feeding people for free, they come in quick.
Yeah, that's right.
So moms eat free today. For every paid meal, you get a free meal, equal or lesser value to mom. So you can't beat that stuff.
No drinks though.
No drinks. Nah, that's for later. We got a new girl on the desk today. Ree is here. And you're kind of new too. Din Din. Everybody might recognize Din Din here. But yeah, we have Ree and Din Din on the desk today. Got a couple new girls working at the front desk. That's exciting. Here comes Mercy in her purple attire. Mother's Day purple.
Yeah, my favorite color.
Yeah, Barney purple. All right, guys, these folks have a spread here. This looks like Thanksgiving dinner, but it's Mother's Day. Look at the steaks getting carved up here. Oh my goodness. You guys have all kinds of food, fish and chips. I see pasta. I see meatloaf, spaghetti, calzones, steaks everywhere. Oh my good. Mom, how do you like it? Everything good, Mom?
Yeah.
It's a good mother? Oh my gosh, what do we have here? What do we have here? Come on in. Come on in. Look who's here. It's the Drake. The Drake is here.
Hi,
Come on in. Straight ahead, Drake. Drake can't see very well.
Oh yeah.
That's the Drake.
That's the Drake. All right. You don't want a picture with the Drake?
Excuse me.
The Drake's hungry. The Drake wants some of that salsa. Come on through. Come on through. Drake, your head's falling off. Your head's kind of crooked. Oh yeah. There you go. What do you think about that, guys? How you like that? How you like that Drake? You gonna make it through without knocking anything off the table? I don't know if you can make it that way. You might have to turn around. Oh, you got pictures. All right, come on back this way. You're getting the tail's getting you. Come on back to this table back here, Drake. Straight ahead, straight ahead. All right, high five. Here we go. We got one table back here that wants to see you. Give him a quack quack. All right, loads of fun. We had to bring the Drake out and see what was going on. Hey, you're doing pretty good maneuvering around in there. All right, this way. Follow me, Drake. Follow me. Don't fall down. I don't think it would hurt if you did. It's so padded. It'd probably be all right. So who is in the Drake today? Let's see the reveal. Let's see who's inside.
Let's see.
Who's in there today? Oh! Ruth's in the Drake. Hey, surprise. All right. Cool.